Hey, so today I'm going to be talking about unemployment benefits in New York State and this bonus 600 that we're getting and what happens when you start to go back to work part-time. So let's jump right into this. I am self-employed. As a disclaimer, I am not a CPA, which is an accountant. I am not a lawyer. I am not I do not work for the Department of Labor. I'm literally just a contractor. I'm a carpenter who has been out of work for a few months and is navigating this weird time like many of you are. So here's my experience for what has been going on. I've been on unemployment collecting this bonus 600 as well. And so last week I worked one day, all right, and I went into the Department of Labor's thing and I certified for the week and I put in that I worked one day and made $0 because it was not a job for money, but you're supposed to claim that even if you're not making money. And I was curious to see what was going to happen. So I did it. And I definitely got docked, right? So they were paying me $159.25 per week on unemployment, which I'll tell you right now is not enough for me to live on at all. So without the 600 thing, there was no way that I'd be able to sort of survive at all for the last 4 months. Anyway, so they took it from $159.25 and they dropped it because I worked one day and made no money. They dropped it to $119.44. So that's $39.81, which is exactly 1/4. So what I've been told, and this is exactly what happened, was you work one day, even if you make no money, they take off 1/4. You work 2 days, they take off half. You work 3 days, they take off 75%. And if you work 4 days, you lose your unemployment, even if you make no money. So last week, when I did this, well, the week before, like I said, I worked one day, so I claimed that. This week that just ended, I worked 2 days, so on Monday I will put that in the system and see what that does, and then my next video I'll put it up and let you know what happened with that. But I'm building myself back into the work life thing, and as it's happening, it just happens to be working out that I'm being able to test this theory for you guys. So that's basically it. So if this helped you at all, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're interested. And normally my videos are how-to videos and carpentry stuff, but I've been for the last few months doing a lot of these type of videos. So I'm gonna try to be doing a business type video once a week and a how-to video once a week. If I can keep to that schedule, I'm gonna try. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.